Hey everybody. So today I want to talk to you guys about unfortunate events. So today we went to the mall or whatever, the outlet mall, and we came back and we didn't have any hot water. Yeah, our water heater is broken or something. And yeah, so now we have no hot water. So tomorrow we're going to go over to my aunt's house and take showers because they have hot water. Um, yeah. Thought I would tell you guys that because I don't know, I just think it's funny because we don't have the best of luck. Kind of sad. Look, that's my foot. Um, yeah. Oh, and by the way, I am on my bed. Uh, I have a twin-sized bed, and the only reason why I'm like, yeah, see, like you can see kind of the edge of my bed. I'm on my trundle bed right now, so if you guys were wondering about that. And yeah, I actually do have makeup on today, and my hair's all straightened and was prettier today. Um, but you know, what are you gonna do? Um, yeah, you guys are gonna see me a lot. Yeah, my nails are all messed up. They're just, don't even ask. Yeah, you guys are gonna see me more with, like, my hair done and, better clothes than just a t-shirt and shorts. Actually, I'm in my pajamas right now. Yeah, I don't match, but, it's PJs, and you're going to sleep, so who's gonna see you? Nobody. Besides your family. And maybe a surprise visitor either in the night or the morning. I really hope that doesn't happen. Oh well, I don't care. But yeah, you guys are gonna see me with nice clothes on, and my hair all did, and my makeup all done. Yeah, you guys are gonna see me, the Becca school me. That's always fun. What else should I talk about in this video? Oh yeah, has this ever happened to you though? Have you ever had like no hot water and had to go take a shower at somebody else's house? I have. Well, will. Yeah. And if you have, tell me the story down below in the comment area. Sorry, I'm kind of like off in the comment area below. And like my videos, like them on this side, and subscribe to my videos, and comment, and yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go to bed because I'm really tired. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully, maybe. Maybe I'll have an interesting day tomorrow and tell you about that. So I'll see you guys later, and yeah, bye.